How you doing? सब बढ़िया? Good. अगर बढ़िया नहीं है तो बढ़िया कीजिए. आपकी लाइफ आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है 100%. And if you need my hand, I'm always there. Okay. So vocabulary of the day is multifarious. 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 इसका मतलब क्या होता है? Multifarious basically means diverse, multiple, varied. Okay? इसका मतलब ये है. So इसे सेंटेंस में कैसे यूज करेंगे? I'll give you 2 examples. मान लीजिए अगर आप HR हैं या अगर आप अपनी कंपनी के CEO या मालिक हैं तो आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें एक्टिविटीज़ करनी पड़ती होंगी दिन में. आप एक काम नहीं कर सकते है ना मोस्टली. So then you will say that because I'm the HR of my organization, I have to do multifarious activities, each day. And in the same way, if you are, the CEO of your company, or if you are the owner of your company, you can say the same thing. Because I am the CEO or the owner of my company, I have to do multifarious activities, tasks, things each day. All right. I'll give you one more example. Let's say you got a chance to interview a celebrity, a successful person. Okay. And then you interview him, and then you ask him, what according to you is the reason or factor, most important factor, most important reason for your success? And the star or the celebrity or the successful person will say, tell you what, there is no one reason or no one factor. The factors and reasons are multifarious. मतलब बहुत सारे हैं, भिन्न भिन्न हैं, various हैं. There is no one factor or no one reason, for my success. Right? So I hope it helped. If it did, like the video. If you want more, subscribe to the video. If you want to help me, then in that case, I want you to tell people about this channel. Share this video if you can, and help me grow. If not, it's alright. And if you want to learn from us, you are welcome. You can find the link in the description. Take care of yourself and remember to be great. My name is Amit Dubey. I'll sign off. Bye bye. Have a wonderful day ahead.